Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is the reading for Zodiac Leo, and it's about May to rest of the May to 2020. How is it for Leo sign? And your reading is you are going to search something, you are going to have a knowledge about something, and maybe someone is going to help you. Where is my cloud? Two of cups, maybe someone is help, you need someone's help to join with your life partner, soulmate, twin flame, whatever it is. Death card, it takes something to end, and then it's you can continue with something else, or you can start something else. There's something had to be end in here. What is it? Pouch. Yes, maybe someone left you in cold in your bad time. They had left you, and now they have to come back. Something is have to done here. Yes, somebody is backstabbing someone. They are deceiving someone, going to lie with someone, and you have to know that about your love life, about your soulmate. Yes, and then when something ended over here, this bad situation, about this bad situation, then you will go to towards this the towards the energy of this Queen of Wands, the Empress energy. Maybe there's some lady uh, who is going to through that bad part of their life, their destruction, and they are going to be a wise woman, like a Queen of Wands, like an Empress. You are getting your wisdom by these situations, critical situations. Yes. Yes, but that's what I am getting from here. And then you became a wise person, a person that who is never or ever uh, afraid of someone or any situation. They are a brave person. They're always ready for fight, to for their rights. They fight for their rights. Okay, and you are going to be like that, and you have all the abundance, all the happiness, all the freedom in your life in this situation when you become a Queen of Wands, or yes, Empress or something. Yes. um, this is also fire sign. This reading is about a Leo, Aries, and Sagittarius are they all three are all fire signs. Yes, and then you are going towards your happiness, your good time, good lifetime, enjoying time. Maybe some kind of function is coming here, and maybe someone's marriage or birth party, something like that, and you are going to enjoy it. Or maybe you are spending a good time with your family, your friends, whoever they are. Yes, Queen of Cups. Someone is in love with you, or you are in love with someone, or someone is thinking about you. What's this? Yes, you are going to be going to start a new life, new project with someone, like energy of with the energy of Queen of Cups. Leo, no, not Leo, Scorpio, Cancer, and Pisces. Okay, I think this is for Scorpio. Someone Scorpio with Scorpio sign, and they are going to start some new life, new project, new business with you. You are a magician. This is something happening towards you. Something happening. You are ready for it. You already gather all knowledge about it. There you are gathering a knowledge about your love life. Okay, your partner, and you had gathered all the knowledge about them. here you get all the knowledge about them, who they are, what are their look like, what they have in mind or in heart for you, what are they thinking. Yes, what's their traits, what's their habits. Okay, now you are defending yourself or defending something. What are you defending? I want to see that. Ten of Cups, your happy family life, you want to defend that. Yes. Seven of Wands, once again Seven of Wands, Seven of Wands, Seven of Wands, for your love life, defending for your love life, because you have already gone through something bad, and that's why you are now defending your love life. Okay, so Knight of Wands, Knight of Swords. This is energy. Someone is a liar. So, and that's I want to clear this. Temperance. You have to be. You have to be patient with this situation. That person or whoever coming towards you with the bad thoughts. Yes, you have to be patient about this situation. It will help. It will unfold it by itself. Um, and justice, something justice, some justice like thing happened to you. You have the justice. If you are deceived from someone, or someone done something bad to you, so then you have the justice. Now there is a justice card for you. Yes, definitely someone does something bad to you, and now with your fortune, they are going to uh, have their punishment. Okay, and now someone is coming towards you with lots of love, lots of passion. They are childlike energy. This is a childlike energy. They are coming towards you. They are attracted towards you and coming towards you, but there is something. Maybe you are done doing something bad to them. This is a Tower card, a breakover, and something bad happens. Why is this card is it? Two of Pentacles. Because you are juggling, you are already you are thinking about the previous person and also going with this new person. This is a bad thing to do, because in this condition you are not just to you, not that two persons also. Okay, it's not good thing. You have to choose one person. Okay, Sun card, you I think that you can do it. You can think what is good for you. Okay, then you start flirting with them, playing light hearted. Okay, new love, this new love is coming towards you. This new love is coming towards you. This new love is coming towards you. Okay, yes, a new person has tired your romantic feelings. Yes, attraction, you both are attracted to each other. Okay, getting to know each other, you have to know each other. That's for you, that you both have to know each other. Okay, this is good for you in your future. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Okay, as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Okay, then you have the card of shallow grave. You miss someone. You already I know that you are missing that the previous person, that person had left you. You are missing them, but please think about this other person who had the love in their heart for you. They love you, they care about you. Think about this person, this other person, and see if you can ferry. If you still continue to think about the previous person, that God knows where you have ended. Is it good for you or bad? God knows. You have to be like a sheep and defend your family, your recent family, okay, recent lover. You have to defend it, not the previous one who left you. They had left you, they are not in your life. Let them go. Love this person, this new person who is coming towards you with passion, with love, with the whole care. They are running toward you. Yes, please take care of yourself and those who love you, not those who left you, those who hate you. Okay, that's the reading for you, Leo, in the rest of the May 2020. And I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe, and with lots of best wishes. Bye.